Hello, inflatable fans. I hope you're all well. You know, sometimes when you're out on the water and you think, oh, I could really do with some breakfast because I haven't had anything to eat yet, and it's gone midday. Yeah, it's nearly 1 o'clock. Let's do some breakfast. So as I say, I am out on the water, but I am doing a little bit of a cheat. I am moored just here to this mooring here. The reason I'm moored to this mooring is because the river's got quite a bit of flow on it, and I kind of need to concentrate on what I'm doing and not the river today, so I've moored up for this one. Although I do quite a lot of fun things on the water, I still always try to do them safely. So what have we got in the green bag of treats? Food bag, the omelette cooker, heat protector, food bowl, and of course the power station. Today the power station of choice is the All Powers R600. I've used that with this omelette maker before. That's that plugged in. We'll turn this on ready, but I'm not going to warm this up yet. Let's have a look what's in the food bag of treats. Well, a certain other YouTuber has been hassling me to do, I forgot to get some other stuff. I'm going to have to make do with what I've got. I meant to call it the shop. Anyway, so this is not a full English, it's a half English. So bacon, eggs, and a Pitta bread. I was going to get sausage and black pudding and totally forgot. And I'm going to do it in the omelette maker because I think I can do it in that. That's the plan. Also got other staple. Can't be doing without the old, yes, HP. Chuck that in the back for now, out of the way. Right, let's get some power on here. Pop. So yeah, I have got the heat protector down. It has got plastic legs on it, this thing, but it's one of those things. This is an inflatable boat. You don't want to be taking any chances, do you? Right, that should warm up quite quickly. So I'm going to chuck the bacon in. What are we drawing? 593 watt output, and that's a 600 watt output power station. In fact, I'm going to put the fat on the inside. Take that bit off. I'll cook that bit over there. Leave that to work its magic. Do that thing that you have to do when you're working in a small space. Keep your litter and rubbish moving. Don't think I'm going to need this because I packed this when I thought I was going to do a full English in a plated scenario, but I also packed the Pitta. Oh, that's starting to fry off. Can you hear it? Nice. This is the lunch bag that I take to work with me, and always got this nice plastic spork for some of the things I eat during the day. There we go. Bacon frying nicely. Got the eggs there. I think I'm going to try, instead of omeleting them, I think I'm going to try and do them whole. Let's it's already halfway there. I do like these Warburton soft pittas. They're quite nice. If you've never tried them, they're worth having. This is the wholemeal one. There is a white bread one as well. They're both good. Really like them. You get quite a nice cavernous bit inside your bread there, look. Oh, that's starting to brown off already. Lovely. Let's get that flipped over so I can get that moisture off it. Get that evaporated. Looks good, doesn't it? Look at that. Give that a few minutes to cook so it's nice and brown. So let's face it, slightly crispy bacon is the best. Alright, I left this there for a couple of minutes. Look at that starting to crisp up nicely. Those little bits, they might just end up in my mouth before this is ready. So what happens now is the thermostat temperature has been achieved, so it keeps turning off on there. I really need to cook the other side of that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop that over there. I'm going to put the eggs in this side. And I'm not going to mash them today. Oh, look at that. Now don't rock the boat, because otherwise the eggs will rock. I think what I'll do actually to help the eggs cook is I'm going to put the lid down for a bit. That makes sense. Right, while that's cooking, I'm going to prep I'm going to prep my Pitta. I'm going to run HP all the way down the back and then into the middle, like that. And then I'm just going to shut it and let it spread about. Job done. Tidy as you go. Quick look just to see it. Oh, look at that, it's doing alright. We're doing alright. Oh, I'm going to get buffeted about a bit. There's a bit of river traffic coming. It's been quiet today so far. Let's have a quick look in here. Oh, look at that bacon. I mean, that bacon's about there, isn't it? In fact, what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bacon out and pop it in the Pitta now. Right, now I just have to prepare myself for the wash. Whee! That's quite a buoyant one. It's a good job I'm well moored. Whoa! That's it, starting to calm down a bit now. How's my eggs doing? Still a little bit runny. I hope they come out of there alright. Let's have a quick check. Yeah, I think they will. Yeah. Right, I think this must be... Oh, look at that, that's about ready. In fact, those yolks, a bit hard, which is probably a good thing, because I don't want that squirting down my neck. I don't. Right, let's open this Pitta up. And this should, with a bit of luck, just lift out. Yeah. And I should be able to... I mean, it's almost a perfect shape, isn't it? I mean, look at that. It's like it was made to... Couldn't have planned that any better if I'd tried. Look at that. I mean, that's made to fit. Superb. Right, before we enjoy that, let's do the obligatory turn that off. 35% that's down to. Pop it off. We're done. And unplug. Then that can be cooling down while I dine. Look at that. Cheeky bugger. Come to partake. You're not getting any. Go on, off you go. Go on. I've just lifted my paddle above my head just to scare him off. I don't want him creeping up behind me and grabbing it. Anyway, this is good. You know what to do if you like the daft things I do on this channel. In terms of liking, subscribing, and all that jazz. He's gone. You take care of yourself. Oh, and Tom, shut up. This is as good as it's going to get. Alright, you take care of yourself. Cheerio. Oh, I've just got to the bacon, the good bit. Right, just down to rain. Bugger.